When a mood becomes an altar, and what beast that must exist, it flies with music from our lips and steals our kiss and blows it out into the mist. Where castles stand on cliffs and cobbled streets, they wind and drift, and moods are made and set but shift. This place where skies are low and birds are big. We went to sleep in day and woke again the same day. We have learned to cheat the time, and find the hours that the clocks cannot define. Oh, as I looked up from that stage, I felt a thing that had been made, and how it raged, and how it raged. How to explain? Something makes me howl and shiver to the core. Oh, outside if it was raining, then inside there'd be a storm. We've got a pair of hands for climbing, and a pair of knees to spring, and a pair of balls for strength, and a pair of lungs to sing. And these simple chords that say music is the language of our soul.